So here's how you're going to add your name to your lock screen on iPhone. The very first thing that you're going to do is to go to your settings and then here click on focus. After that, click on add and then here add a custom. Click on this custom button, add an icon right here, anything that you want. For example, I just want to add this star icon right there and maybe choose a color that I like, maybe some like blue. So if you want your name to appear on your lock screen, all you have to do is to put your name right here. For example, I'm going to put here Frenchel and then click on next. After that, click on customize focus. And then here you can choose to silent notifications and all that stuff. If you really like not think that that is important or if that's not your priority, then just that's fine. You can just exit this mode and then in the focus, activate this Frenchel by long pressing on this focus icon right here, long press on that, and then click on Frenchel. After that, just go to your lock screen and then as you can see, my name is already right here. Another method that you can do if you don't want to go through this process is to just download any text. Let's search it. You can download this AI any text widget and then once you have downloaded it, just click on open and then you can set your widget text right here. Let's click, maybe let's put on our name and then click on next. And then you can choose here any kind of style that you want. Let's put on something that looks aesthetic, maybe this one, and then hit next. After that, let's choose the alignment of the text. I will choose this one. You can choose to add your habits, but I'll skip that for now. Also, push notifications, I'm just going to skip. And then let's hit on next and next. And then let's hit get started. So now that we have set, let's create a widget. Let's do a custom text first. And then let's set a widget text. Again, I'm going to enter my name and then hit on done and then create widget. Now let's scroll down with our lock screen and then long press this to customize our lock screen and then hit customize lock screen. And then in here, we're going to add a widget. Tap on any text. And then as you can see here, I have my name set. Just going to click on that and that's it. My name is already set on my lock screen. Let's hit done and let's see if that worked. And that's it.